say we meet again. In my heart is where I keep a friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed, strength I need to believe. My thoughts big, I just can't define. Wish I could turn back the hands of time. Us in the six, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making hits, stages they receive you on. Still can't believe you're gone. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after that.
Marcus and Corey, good morning.
What I'm talking about is what's trending on Star 1013.
What's happening in entertainment news, the biggest stories of the day, and everything people are talking about today in the Bay.
Question, Corey.
Yeah.
Should we throw it out to the people before we start? Corey's wondering off the air her husband would like to go to the botanical gardens in San Francisco.
Why are you doing that?
Is this worth it? I'm curious.
We want to do something. I don't know. I mean, it looks beautiful. It's just, I don't know. I want to go do something.
Right.
Well, you're spending time with your man. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Botanical gardens.
Sunday.
Give us your opinion with the talkback feature on the iHeartRadio app. That little microphone. Spout off. Please continue.
Okay, there was a 3-alarm fire yesterday near the Painted Ladies. The fire department says you should avoid the area. This is on McAllister and Divisadero. If you saw footage of it on the news, you'd be surprised that they're still standing.
I think the reason why much is because those houses are so close together.
Right. So you
know
take
what I mean?
down a whole neighborhood.
In San Francisco, like, yeah, you could take down the whole block.
But our firefighters, hundreds of them were out, well, hundreds of them were out there, and they got it all contained, only 3 injuries, and everyone's expected to be okay.
Great job, y'all. Thank you.
Nicole Kidman, you can check her out on our Marcus and Corey Instagram page. She's on the cover of a magazine called Perfect. She is ripped. She's 55 years old right now, and she's rocking biceps and crazy abs. I don't know if it's for a movie. I don't know if she's just starting a new lifestyle. But very Linda Hamilton and Terminator 2.
I looked up Perfect magazine, and I couldn't figure out what. It says Perfect is a creative community which creates multi-platform content for and with brands.
What?
That's what I said. Really dumb.
Yeah. It's very vague.
Must be a marketing thing. I don't know. Anyway, she looks great.
She looks great. But that's a lot of work. We've got some shaming happening on some Hollywood celebrities who are not adhering to war restrictions. First, we were talking about their private jets and carbon footprints. Now they're ignoring the fact that we're in a huge drought in the state of California. Kim Kardashian, Kourtney Kardashian, Sylvester Stallone, Kevin Hart, and Dwayne Wade, formerly of the NBA. They all have notices for excessive water use. Now, you only get this notice when you use 150% or more of your monthly water budget. And these 4
schedule. So he's doing like 15 shows at Madison Square Garden. Then he goes to Austin and does like 8 shows. Then he goes to LA and does another 15 shows. So he's kind of pumped up. He's gonna live there.
What's nice though too is it's less stress on him to be at a different city every night. You know, just health wise.
I like that. Go to the sports desk real quick. San Jose Barracuda Arena, Tech CU Arena, opening at 3 o'clock today. They're going to have a ribbon cutting ceremony. This is
It's more like a facelift than a brand new.
so they expanded it. What I'm reading, it was a 200,000 square foot expansion, and then the Barracudas, which is your San Jose Sharks farm team, going to play there. Supposedly going to revitalize downtown. I always root for San Jose. My wife grew up there, so she grew up like 5 minutes from that place.
I love hockey.
Yeah, so fun. And then the A's for Marlins today at the Coliseum. First pitch 12:37. Look out for that traffic on 880 and plan accordingly. The Giants are in Detroit to take on the yesterday. That series continues today. First pitch since they are on the road.
What's trending every week?
We've got the replay on second data day at 9:05, and then just hang out for about a half hour. 9:25, another keyword. Las Vegas for the iHeartRadio Music Festival.
122 iHeartRadio Music Festival is back.
And every weekday, there's 30 chances to win a trip to the hottest festival of the year in Las Vegas.
25 a.m., 1:25 p.m., and 5:25 p.m.
Halloween and more. Get all of the details and links now.
2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival in Las Vegas.
Your next chance to win is coming up with the Bay's Star 1013.
Cloudy at the coast today with sunny and hot conditions inland with highs ranging from the 70s to the 90s inland. This report is sponsored by Monterey County Convention and Visitors Bureau. Can you believe summer's already almost over? And there are still beaches to see, wines to sip, golf courses to play, trails to hike. Well, now is the moment. Come catch the last sunsets of summer in Monterey County. Learn more and find exclusive summer specials at cmonterey.com.
Check this out. Buy one, get one free at Sprouts Farmers Market. You can stock up on back-to-school essentials. Time to save some money now through September 6th. Look for the buy one, get one free tag throughout the store. You can save on lunchbox eats, healthy treats, and so much more. Sprouts has everything kids and parents need to fuel up for the school year. Hurry down to your neighborhood Sprouts Farmers Market for all your healthy groceries and enjoy buy one, get one free on select items through September 6th while supplies last. That's Sprouts Farmers Market
At Marshall, our buyers hustle every day. We can calculate the quality to cost ratio simply by touch. Ooh. Between an Italian suede handbag and an Italian leather one. But most importantly, they know a good deal when they hear one. That sounds like a good deal. We'll take them all. Visit Marshall's and take home more for your money. More brands, quality, trends. Marshall's.
Courtney Lopez here. We know how important it is to be confident in all of life, close up.
And bad breath can rob you of your confidence.
Yeah, I can. Whenever I'm rubbing elbows with celebrities or friends or just chilling at home, I gotta make sure that the that comes with Smart Mouth mouthwash.
Smart Mouth is clinically proven to eliminate and prevent 24 hours with just 2 rinses a day.
Get to your favorite retailer right now for that kind of better together.
Smart Mouth at your favorite retailer or at smartmouth.com/radio. And get this, they can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill over T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon.
Wow.
Impressive. Yeah, but you already knew that, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I definitely saw this coming.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Switch today. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for True Unlimited lines under available 5G pricing plans with top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees. Speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Most reliable based on RootMetrics use report. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Ookla speed test 2022. This November, Californians will have a choice between 2 initiatives on sports betting. What's at stake? We have a chance to tax and regulate sports betting to fund permanent solutions to our homelessness crisis. That's Prop 20. Prop 27 generates hundreds of millions every year to get people off the streets and into housing. 26. Not a dime to solve homelessness or treat addiction. Prop 27 has strong and strictly prohibits betting on youth sports. Prop 26, no protections for minors. Prop 27 helps every tribe, including disadvantaged tribes. Prop 26, a money grab for the wealthiest casino tribes, leaving nothing for disadvantaged tribes. The differences are important, and the choice is clear. Vote yes. Ad paid for by Yes on 27, Californians for Solutions to Homelessness and Mental Health Support, a coalition of housing and mental health experts, concerned taxpayers, and digital sports entertainment and community companies.
Shane. At Shane Company, we offer natural rubies and over a dozen colors of natural sapphires, including blue, yellow, green, and pastel colors like lavender and pink. I fly to Bangkok to buy them. Traveling to the gemstone capital of the world allows me to examine each stone individually and only choose those that are full of fire and light. That's what gives Corundum's beauty, the brilliance within the stone. I then have each stone expertly recut by our Bangkok team of full-time stone cutters to maximize its inherent beauty. We have the largest selection of rubies and sapphires in town. Visit us and see for yourself. Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com. The ultimate family-friendly concert experience is back. This Stop Live is coming soon, and it's only for 2022.
Yes, sir.
It's always concert series. For school businesses to talk. They need to be smart.